The rusty-tailed flycatcher, Ficedula ruficauda. Rusty-tailed flycatcher is a medium-sized, upright forest bird, measuring 14 centimetre in length and weighing 11 to 16 gram. It has a flat-headed appearance with a large dark eye. Its head and upper parts are grey-brown, with pale buff lores and eye-ring and a brownish line along the lores. The flight feathers are brown with buff-brown edges, and its rump and tail are bright rufous with a browner tail tip. The underside is mostly dull whitish, with a buffish wash on the breast and flanks. The bird has dark iris, a dark horn upper mandible, a pale yellowish lower mandible, and dark grey or blackish legs. The sexes are alike, and the juvenile looks similar to the adult, including the rufous upper tail-coverts and tail, but it has streaks on the forehead, buffish spots on the mantle and back, and dark bars on the underparts. The rusty-tailed flycatcher is found in eastern Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, northeastern Afghanistan, and the western and central Himalayas, extending to eastern Nepal. During the non-breeding season, it migrates to the western Ghats in southwestern India. They breed in open coniferous and broadleaf forests, as well as mixed deciduous and coniferous forests. In the non-breeding season, it can be found in the edges and clearings of lowland evergreen forests. They are known to feed on small invertebrates, including deep flies, beetles, and moths. The rusty-tailed flycatcher is typically solitary or found in pairs during the breeding season. It forages in the understory, mostly on the edges of forests rather than in the interior. The bird is unobtrusive, often detected by its alarm calls, and hunts prey from low perches or by fluttering in foliage. It also catches insects in midair, returning to different perches. The breeding season lasts from May to July, and the bird is territorial. Its nest is a cup-shaped structure made mostly of moss, with additional materials like lichens, gossamer, bark strips, hair, and feathers. The clutch consists of 3 to 4 eggs. They are not globally threatened and is classified as least concern on the conservation status scale. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.